I think about giving myself to you, 'cause you know I want you, babe, and I would do anything.
Damn, Kai, you going crazy.
They play with you and I'ma cut out their hand. They play with you, they know I'm taking the risk. I'ma take their risk. But she with me.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Moody. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. So, as y'all can tell by the title today, we are installing a frontal wig. So yeah, I do believe this is my first time doing an installation on my channel. I think I kind of did a little something, but not for real. So we're just gonna go with this is my first like installation tutorial. I don't even know if it's gonna be a tutorial because we gotta see how it's gonna work out. Look at this, like I don't have baby hairs, like I have full grown adult edges, you know what I'm saying? So I usually struggle with my ball cap, but I just love to do it anyways. It's just, I don't know, it's low-key satisfying, even though it's very much aggravating. In the midst of me doing it, I kind of cut a little too far back, and y'all probably can't see it, but like over here my edges is out, and it's really on like here where my edges are out, and then my like widow's peak. But anyway, I just needed to rant a little bit because I'm a little aggravated, but whatever. But anyway, so we're installing this 13, and it really is a 13 by 5 lace frontal from Yolova hair. It is a 22-inch body wave hair, okay? And I'll insert the clips of when I first brought it out of the box. So, oh, look at that. Now that's cute. It got some nice little curls in there now. So yeah, this is what the wig looks like. I have already bleached the knots. I bleached the knots for the first time. That was fun. So they're really not like super bleached or anything, because I was scared, y'all. I ain't even let it process too long. But I did bleach the knots, and I did also pluck the hairline a bit. I don't know if y'all gonna be able to see it. I can't get it. But yeah, I did a little something. So let's just hope this install turns out a-okay. Alright, so I'm probably just do a voiceover so I can watch my TV. I'm not gonna talk too much. I just needed to rant and ramble a little bit, but now it's time to actually get it together. Let me talk a little bit about the frontal. So like I said, this is 22 inches of body wave hair, 13 by 5 frontal. It also has a little closure, a little frontal, a little tab, a little lace in the back, and we are gonna cut that off, of course. I don't know if you guys can tell, but this lace, the by 5, is only in the middle, and then the sides are barely too much lace, so I almost have to wear a middle part, which is perfectly fine because what I want to do anyway. And I believe it is 100 and I want to say 80, but it might be 150. Check the description box for all the actual details, but I believe it's 180 density, maybe. 2 combs on the side and it has 4 combs actually. It has 2 on the sides, 1 at the back of the lace, and then 1 in the back as well. Now that I've tinted the lace and everything, I think we can make this work. And by tinted, I just mean put my foundation on. Like, we're gonna have to cut this quite a bit off. And this part is so nerve-wracking. Your girl be scared. Because what if I cut too much? Okay, so my camera keeps overheating. Sorry about that. But try to cut the lace. So I really ain't had this melting for that long. It's probably gonna be my downfall, but I use got to be. So I really don't care if it doesn't stay on long, you know what I'm saying? My lace wise. As long as it stay on for the night, we good. Oh, I should have let it melt longer because, ooh wee. Now that look good now. That look good. So I'm gonna take eyebrow razor and we're just gonna cut. Hopefully y'all can still see. Hopefully y'all can't see too good, you know. But take your time with this, I would assume. And you really want to cut as close to the hairline as you can. I feel like my razor is a little dull, so make sure yours is super sharp. But I like using this because it doesn't give you like... I'm going to cut it off first a little bit with this, so I can see. But it gives you more of like that rigid hairline. And I guess if you cut a little bit of the hair, it's not the worst thing in the world. lace on. Not sure how I feel anymore. My forehead is on fire from this alcohol. I feel like I've washed my face with alcohol. I don't know how y'all do it. So what I'm gonna do now is spray my lace with Got To Be again and let it melt. And I guess I'll go ahead and take out my baby hairs because I'm definitely gonna need them. And probably put some curls in. Like, oh, it looks very wiggy right now. I don't like that. So we gotta figure something out ASAP. ASAP, which it is a middle part, so really don't gotta figure out what. Look how my attitude just changed so quickly once I put a part in. But yeah, we gotta do our middle part. You know, we might can make this thing work. I cut the lace a little far in some places, like here. And I told y'all these edges, like my edges are too overgrown. Make that middle part. And with that, I'm not mad. Ain't even mad. Because I'm not going to wear my hair like this most of the time. I just need a little. She just needs a little shaping. We're going to bring baby hairs out all over, I would say. Damn near. Doing it yourself, sometimes you make a few mistakes, and that's why I like to do it myself, because if I pay you and you make a mistake, it's gonna be a problem, especially when it comes to my hair. I do my own hair. Is the Meltdown wax stick, and I'm just molding my hair down so that it lays flat, and using my straight comb to make sure it's flat and keep it flat. And I just got everything I'm using, I got from the beauty supply store. Your local BSS in my city, y'all. I got it from TT's. Period. Cause that hump ain't cute. Hump ain't cute. We already got thick braids up under here. We need this wig to lay as flat as possible. Camera is overheating. Wow, my battery is also going dead, so I'm gonna try to do my baby hairs real quick for y'all, even though I don't even know how to do them good. We're gonna try. Okay, melted, period. And you want to cut them above your eyebrow. Cut them to your liking if you want them dramatic or if you want them more natural. I like them more natural. I really don't know how long I want them right now. Okay, y'all, so I just want to come on here and show y'all my baby hairs, which to me look kind of good but also extra fake. I I don't do these, but we're gonna lay them. And maybe when we brush them out, they'll look a little better. And I am going to curl my hair. I'm gonna curl my hair with the flat iron, so just little soft curls. Nothing major. Y'all don't expect nothing too crazy. Yeah, I don't know how to feel about my edges, but it's a middle part, so they're not all gonna show anyway. I'm gonna have to charge my phone, curl my hair, charge my camera while I curl my hair, and I'll be back. Okay, we back. We got a very little charge here, so let's just go ahead and take this off. And look at these super dramatic baby hairs. They full grown, just like my real edges. Full grown edges. So it's really this one for me. The sides are okay. This one, and they crunchy. Better already. I'm gonna take a little concealer and put it on my part. Try to make this quick because I know my camera is tired of me. Sick and tired. So I put some curls in. Well, y'all already seen this. I'm gonna just comb them out a little bit. Finger comb them. Just so y'all can, just so we can see. I don't really want the curls no way. I just want to add a little body to the body wave. Okay, come through. And we tried to do my edges over, so let's take this off. I'm real impatient. It's probably been on for 5-7 minutes. Ooh. Big. That's what the curls came out to be. I don't know if this is 22 or 24, but I am short. Yeah, it's real cute. I'm not mad at it. You know, my lace could be a little better. I'll probably put a little powder on here. But I am super satisfied with this hair, you guys. Shout out to Yolova for working with me on this video. I appreciate y'all. If you guys enjoyed this video, then please give me a thumbs up. Hopefully this video was helpful. If not, hopefully it was just entertaining for you guys to watch. I mean, you made it to the end, so make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're not yet. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please leave them down in the comment section. Don't forget to follow me on all of my social media at MOODYGEEE with 3 E's. And I will see you guys in my next video.
When she with me, them other niggas is stink. When I'm with her, she show me love is it. They ain't seeing us, boo, they blind. She wanna roll like she